How to create a poll on Telegram. Did you know that you can create a poll on Telegram? One of the new features in Telegram is the ability to create polls in groups. The process is quite simple. To get started, open the Telegram app. Open the group in which you want to create a poll. At the bottom of the screen, click on the paperclip icon. Among the options offered, select Poll by clicking on it. Creating a poll consists of two parts. The first part is setting the question in the poll question section. The second part of the poll is the answer options. Here, you will list the options that group members can choose from. I will now set the question for the poll. Now I will insert the answers. The number of options is limited to 10. You add a new option by clicking on Add an option for each new option individually until you have entered all the options you want. If you want to delete any option, simply click the X next to the option you want to remove. Once you have entered the question and options, click Create to finish creating the poll. Your poll is ready. Voting is done by clicking on one of the options. You will also see a percentage report for each option. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it will be useful to you. Subscribe and stay up to date with all the latest updates.